Go ahead.
Hold on, hold on. That is your father.
Yeah, come on, man, get down.
Not the white guy.
I'm recording it.
Not the white one, but the one with the cast.
Yeah. Purple cast right there.
Purple cast is your pops. He's a Kings fan.
Oh, down there? Okay.
Get on the shit.
Get out of the way.
Get on the shit.
Woo! This is awesome.
This was
Some
awesome.
shit is parking in the back of the store. Narrated by the black guy. That's me.
Who's gonna jump it?
BJ, jump it!
You're retarded.
I know, you're tripping shit.
Ain't that drunk?
I'm just saying.
Oh no, wait! Oh, Captain.
I'll totally jump it. You want me to jump it?
Jump it, Tom, right now.
Tom, shut up.
I got it on camera. My crotch is on fire. Oh, blew out his D.
See? That's why we said no. That's why we said no. That's why we said no!
Hey,
You alright?
you okay?
I thought you were gonna jump it that way.
Tom?